Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing a first impression tutorial type of video. Today we'll be taking a closer look at the Colourpop Brow Boss. So this has been on my radar for quite some time, and in preparation for this video, I even went and got my brows threaded. May not look like it, they're a little all over the place right now, but I did get my brows threaded so I can give you guys a very true first impression on a nice clean slate. So just to give you some specifics on this product, it does retail for $5.50. There are 9 different shades in this collection, and you can purchase it online at colourpop.com as well as in person at Ulta in the Ulta stores if you have an Ulta nearby. So the shade that I'm going to be trying on today, swatching and giving you guys a demonstration with is the shade Soft Black. All right, so we're back and you guys can see these are my freshly threaded brows. There's no product on them. I'm just wearing foundation. That is all that I have on my face right now. So I'm going to go get a spoolie brush out my brows, and then we will hop right in. But before I do that, this is what the product looks like. It just has the Colourpop branding. It says Brow Boss. And then on the very top of the package, you can see the actual color of the product. So when you take it out of the box, this is what you have. And I don't even have to get up for a spoolie because there's a spoolie on one end and then the actual brow product on the other. And it is in this just plain white container, which is pretty typical of Colourpop products. This is what they like to put their lippy sticks in. It just comes in this pretty neutral, just white tube with the font saying what it is. And this is just to show you guys how much product actually comes within the tube. So quite a bit of product, and this is it twisted obviously all the way out. Going ahead and getting started, we are going to just brush up our brows into place. And kid you not, 3 hours ago I got my brows threaded, so they are nice and crispy. No new growth has set in. This is just for you guys. Then we're gonna twist out some of the product. And I like black, even though my hair is really a dark brown color. I like black just because it brings out that, like it makes my hair look a little bit darker than it really is, and I prefer black hair on me. You do have to like really like work it in. It has like a waxy feel to it. It doesn't just like glide on like butter. And my brows are really curly, so that's one thing that kind of makes it a little bit difficult. My hair is just naturally curly, so my brows tend to curl up on themselves, and it makes it a little bit difficult. That's why I like using brow gel products as of recently, because it slicks those curls right into place and it just holds them. Whereas with pencil, they're still just kind of going everywhere. Ooh, that looks really good. It's like very nice, actually. I'm gonna come back here, touch this up some because I feel like it looks a little sparse. Looks a little naked back here. I like that. That's really good. Like I don't even feel like I did a lot of work. And that waxy like build up the intensity of the product, that doesn't go away. Like I feel like I'm still having to like really kind of push that in, work that in, but I like the color payoff from this. Like I don't feel like I've used a ton of product. Like I haven't had to twist this up again. I haven't used a ton of product, but I have had to slowly but steadily work it in. But I like that. You don't want it to get too dramatic too fast. So that's with the product on. That's with no product. All right, so I'm back, and this is the finished look. Now, would you guys believe me if I told you that I did not go back and clean this up with concealer? Like this is first attempt brows. Didn't go back and do anything. And I'm digging it. I really, really like it. It is the right amount of bold. I like my brows to be really bold, and then it's the right amount of thickness. I really like the way that this came together, and I could go back in with concealer and clean this up if I wanted to, but I think I did a pretty good job on the first attempt. If anything, I would just clean up right here. But I really, really like this. If I didn't want my brows as bold, then of course I would try one shade lighter than this black color, but this fits my preference. I like jet black everything, so I think I'm gonna stick with this. All right, you guys, so we're back. You guys saw the up close and personal finished brow look. Again, I said that I did not go back in and touch it up with any concealer because this was so precise that I didn't really make any mistakes. And again, I just got a fresh threading job done on my brows, so it's not sloppy like it normally is when I have the big bushy brows and then I have to go back and clean up everything. Things that I did like, the price point, one, it's very affordable, $5.50. You can't go wrong with that in comparison to some brow products that are gonna cost you upwards of $10. And if you think about it, the amount of product that can come within this type of packaging, it's not much. So you just wanna think how feasible and how budget friendly is that? So I really do like the price point. This product is very budget friendly. I do like that it comes with a spoolie brush on the end, so you don't have to worry about purchasing a spoolie brush. And even after you run out of product, you can keep the container because it still has this spoolie on the end. And it's a nice, good, firm spoolie brush. I also like how rich the color is. It's very pigmented and I don't have to use almost half of the tube of product to get the color payoff that I want, just to do 1 or 2 brows. Something that I didn't really like, I prefer the brow products that are a little bit creamier in texture and you don't have to really like work them in to your brows. This one, it's not like other products where even if it has that waxy texture, once you work it into your brows and it warms up with your body heat, then it's easier to apply. Each time I really felt like I was having to apply pressure and really work it in there. So that's just something to note. Sometimes I tend to have a heavy hand, so with having to apply that extra pressure to get the color payoff that I do want, then I end up breaking the pencil. So again, this is Soft Black from Colourpop and this is from their Boss Brow line. It's $5.50. You can find it at Ulta and you can also find it on their website. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know down below. If you guys want to see more first impressions or more brow tutorials or any type of makeup related videos, definitely let me know in the comment section. And that is all. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.